I'll give you an example. When you see an e-commerce website, we always see some offers or something like that. The old price will be, for example, 75 and it has been changed to 50. So when it comes like that, the 75 will be given a strike and the 50 will be highlighted. So there the text formatting plays a role. So here are some tags for text formatting. The first one is the B tag, which is also known as a bold tag, which is used to make the text bold. The second tag is strong. This is as similar as the B tag or the bold tag. The only difference is the meaning. Both gives the same output. The bold B tag as well as the strong tag both gives the output as the text will be bold. But the meaning of this is the B tag will be meaning is just to give the text as a bold. But when it comes to strong tag, the meaning is that the text is very important. But the output will be same. Just the difference is in the meaning. So the basic is important text. Okay. Now the next one is I tag. I is italic. It makes the text italic. And the fourth one is EM. It's also known as emphasized tag. EM. PHASIZE. Emphasized text. Even here it is same as the I tag or the italic tag. EM and the I is the same. Even here the difference is the meaning. The meaning of the emphasized tag is that it is an important text. That's all. The fifth one is mark tag, also known as marked text. When it comes to marked text, we can see some. We will be able to see some text in a website that they are highlighted in a colorful or like a yellow color or something like that. So it highlights the text to gain our attraction towards it. The next one is the small tag. It basically makes the text small. That's all. Okay. And the seventh one is the del tag. Del means delete or deleted tag. Sorry, deleted text. Here, when we use this tag, the text will give a strike, will have a strike in it. For example, if it is a text name is of strong, then the strong will be stroked out. That's the difference. Okay. And the next one is INS tag, which is inserted text. Here it will show that the text inserted and it will show it in an underlined way. And the next one is sub tag. Sub is subscript. Is subscript text. This is basically used in chemical formulas. Chemical formulas. For example, H2O. When the H2 is a subscript of that H2O text. The next one is sup tag, which is also known as superscript. Okay. Here the main use is on mathematical formula. And this is the last one. So these are the tags which are used for text formatting. Now we'll go for an example and I'll explain you with an example all of these tags. Okay, we'll do the new ones. Okay. First I'll make use of a B tag. I'll write an paragraph. This is bold text. Okay. Inside an P tag has made use of an B tag. Okay. Don't forget to open as well as close it and save it, and we'll run it. Okay, see the text is highlighted or the text is full of both. And now we'll go for the next one, that is the strong. Okay, and inside this I will make use of strong tag. This is a strong text. So again I'll save it and run it again. I already told you that there will be no difference in the output of the tag, but actually the meaning is different. When it comes for the strong text, it is usually used when the text is very important, but the output for both are the same. Okay, now let's go for the next one, that is the italic one. Without using a paragraph tag, then also we can make use of this text formatting. So I'll make a pattern. So this is italic text. Okay, see, even now you can see the difference. Okay, and the text is in italic. We can even make this bold also. Now let's go for the another one. The next one is the EM. This is EM text. So again there will be no difference between the italic as well as an EM, just the meaning is different for the both. See, this is italic and this is EM. This is EM text is not in another line because it's not inside a paragraph tag or P tag. Okay, and I would like to show you another one. To give a break between this both, we'll make use of an BR tag, which is also known as a break tag. When I make use of an BR tag, there will be a gap or a break between both the sentences. This is an italic and this is an EM. These are two sentences. With the help of an BR tag, this is EM text will be in another line. So let's see that also. See, both the sentences are separated with the help of a BR tag. Okay, now let's go for the next one, that is the mark tag. Okay, I already told you the mark tag is basically used to highlight the text. So this is mark. So actually to show the difference between this, we'll make use of an P tag also. So I'll make as hello. Okay, so now this hello will not be highlighted, but this is a mark, this will be highlighted. So let's run it. The hello and the exclamation is not highlighted because that's not under the mark tag, but this is mark has been highlighted with a hello highlighter. Okay, now let's go for the next one, that's the small. And as I told you, I'll again use an P tag before it. Sorry for this. Okay, I am a girl. Okay, now let's run this. See, it's too minute to see this, but you can see the font size is decreased for the small. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is the del tag or the deleted tag. Paragraph. This is deleted text. So here we got the output. See, as I told you an example prior of the 75 rupees and the 50 rupees example, here the deleted text as a strike. Now let's go for the next one, that is inserted text. P. So far this is inserted. Okay. Now when I run this inserted word will be underlined. See, the inserted word is underlined. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. Okay. I would like to make an example of take an example of an formula. Okay. So H and then SUB. I already got it as a suggestion, and I'll give 2 here and then O. So this 2 will be subscripted text. Okay. Now let's run it. See, the 2 is subscripted. Okay. Now let's go for the superscript. Okay, and we'll make use of some mathematical formulas. A plus B. Okay, and then SU. I also got. Okay, that's good. So now let's save it and run it. See, I got A plus B the whole square as the formula. So this is all the basic tags which are used for text